Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to an exciting new AI tool, the Luma AI Dream Machine. Luma has recently unveiled a key frame feature in their image-to-video model, and it works exceptionally well. If you're not familiar with Luma AI, it's widely regarded as the most realistic and advanced AI video generator available today. This new key framing feature allows for greater precision and control in creating stunning videos from images, elevating the quality and creativity of the final product. In this video, I'll show you how to use this fantastic tool. But first, let's take a look at some incredible videos I've generated using Luma AI. The first one is a scene of a sunset on the beach. Just look at it. It's incredibly realistic. The second one features a ghost moving toward a royal house. Wow, it's very realistic and quite spooky. Now, I want to show you a demo of Luma AI video generation. First, click on Try Now, then write the prompt. A teddy bear in sunglasses playing an electric guitar, dancing, and headbanging in the jungle in front of a large, beautiful waterfall. After some time, the video will be generated. Next, let's look at another example. Write the prompt. Start with a foreboding aerial view of the castle at twilight or nighttime, with mist swirling around the turrets and bats flying overhead. Wow, it's amazing and eerie. I hope you enjoyed these examples. Now, let's dive into how you can create your own stunning videos with the Luma AI Dream Machine.